this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is the chocolate break. COVID Omicron
edition.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you are looking upon the visages of two individuals that are currently suffering through COVID. We have COVID. The COVID. The Omicron.
The Rona.
Mm-hmm. We have it. It's ours.
Yes.
We have it.
It's here.
And it's here. And it's right here. If you came to our house right now, we would infect you.
We would share it with you.
We would give it to you whether you liked it or not, because it's invasive.
Mm-hmm.
It's hungry for you. It wants to live deep inside of you, in your bowels, in your nose.
It all depends on, what it's going to feel like it's going after. I mean, we've all had it in different ways, it seems like.
It's been unfun. I don't like it.
Yeah.
I'm done. I'm done with it. I don't want it anymore.
Yeah. I want to give it back.
And,
it's like a bad Christmas present.
It is. It's like...
Re-gift.
Yeah. Well, yeah. But I mean, we got vaccinated.
And boosted.
The kids were vaccinated. Well, Miles was.
Mimi was half-vaxxed.
She was going to get her second shot on Monday. But then Omicron came to the house and knocked on our door and just let itself right in.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Yeah. So we thought we'd share with you our absolute heartfelt good vibes and jubilation with chocolate that we got from Amazon Fresh, because we can't really go to the store right now.
Yeah.
We could.
Yeah. Could.
What have you? Let's rejoice in chocolate.
A plenty.
A plenty. What is this?
It's a plenty. It's a caramelized ganache filled bar. It's milk chocolate filled with rich chocolate caramel and burnt sugar.
Burnt sugar. Who did that? Why?
This is actually an Amazon product.
Oh, so it's like Trader Amazon's.
It's, you can actually say the A word and then say add a plenty caramelized ganache milk chocolate bar to my cart, and it will.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. It says delicious guarantee.
Oh, my.
And it's distributed by Amazon.com services
in
Seattle.
Yeah. Oh, God. Well, let's try it.
Very
I see little squares.
unexciting looking.
Yeah, but good things come in packages that look like square turds. Oh.
Definitely filled with...
Is there goo?
Yeah.
Maybe... Oh.
Baby Jesus.
Maybe this will cure us of our affliction.
Maybe.
Or not. Cheers. Your thoughts?
I don't know.
I feel like, where's the throat burn? Because that tastes like that totally screams at me, there's going to be throat burn.
I don't have throat burn.
I don't either. One thing I would say is that the pieces are just too big, because first off, they're filled. There should be little pieces. That's a lot of chewing you got to do to get through that. And it's not like you're going to take half a bite or you're going to get goo all over yourself.
I took half a bite and I didn't get goo all over myself.
Well, I guess you're just better than I. I feel like I would.
But, I mean, yeah. There's definitely a lot of goo. I mean...
Yeah.
I don't know. I just don't know.
I'm getting throat burn. Now I'm getting it.
I don't get it.
You will. Oh, you will. Score.
3.
I find it exceedingly lackluster. 1. I will have to talk to them about the deliciousness guarantee in my case.
Give them a call.
I'm going to give them a little jingle.
Call Amazon.
Hello, Mr. Bezos. Yeah,
I'm gonna need a free
First
trip to space.
off, are you wearing a mask? I'm calling you right now and I'm COVID positive. I don't want you to get this. It's not enjoyable. Yeah. But you know. Now what?
Now what?
Now what? Aplenty.
More aplenty. Sugar cookie confetti.
Now we're talking.
Crispy vanilla cookie crumbles and rainbow sprinkles.
God. Do it. Do
Can
it.
you handle it?
I'm ready.
Hey, can you handle it? You can see the sprinkles on the bottom of the candy bar.
God, I can smell that a mile away.
Really?
That's raw. Yeah.
Oh, when you flip it over to the top.
That's fine.
You can't really see them.
It's gonna be all right. Oh,
It
God.
makes me sad. I like to see the sprinkles.
Well,
I like the visual.
I like the visual as well.
I can smell it when I put it close to my nose.
That's very
I just
sweet.
can't smell it from far away.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers. Oh,
May I on this one?
go ahead.
I don't know why, but it tastes just kind of like, it's got the consistency of a boring chocolate. And it's very sweet. But the back of it, the flavor hit, the flavor taste, if you will, has this kind of thing that kind of looms around that reminds me of if you took one of those chicken Kievs that are breaded and you left it out in the sun for a couple hours and then you cooked it in the microwave, it's just kind of got this like breading that just went kind of wrong, like it interacted with the packaging or something.
I don't like the texture of it. It's weird.
Well, it's cookie crumbs.
I
and
know. I'm just saying, like, it just feels weird.
Yeah.
And it tastes like I'm eating a candle. A vanilla candle.
I remember we had one before that you considered to be that, but you really hated that one.
Yeah, I really dislike this one too.
Score.
0.
Ooh, I'm going to give it a beneficent 0.5. And again, I'll have to hit up that deliciousness guarantee.
Yeah. Yuck.
I don't think he's going to take me in his spaceship.
I should get a free ride in the spaceship.
I asked
for this
if
crappy
I asked.
chocolate.
I was like, "Can you guys go on the spaceship?" And never got a reply. I'm too busy for old ramen raider guy.
Coconut bits for a rich nutty flavor.
Rich and nutty.
And the milk chocolate. Chocolate.
Well, do it. Do it.
I would think that with the color of the package, it would be mint. This wouldn't say like coconut to me. I would think like white or something would be coconut. Green is mint.
Ooh, look at the back.
There's the back.
Oh, it's coconut. I freaking hate coconut.
No, you don't.
Flip it over. Oh, come on. I just cleaned my desk.
Oh. Do you really not like coconut?
I hate coconut. I like coconut flavor. I like coconut cream, but coconut itself, it's just like eating dry beef. It's like get all stuck in your teeth. I'll take this one.
I'm just gonna give you this one.
Well, I don't want that one. It's been miterated upon. Cheers. Cheers.
Rude.
Who's making this stuff for them? It ain't J. Coco.
Mm-mm.
Is it Dilettante?
It doesn't say.
Well, no, I'm not going to say it's a private label. Well, who packages their stuff in boxes just like this that's local?
I don't know, but the fact that they did like coconut flavoring in addition to the coconut.
Well, coconut itself in flakes like that doesn't have a lot of flavor. You have to augment it.
I know, but the coconut flavoring they used is garbage.
I don't know. How do you feel?
My tongue.
How do you feel about?
It's like taking like vanilla extract and just dripping it on your tongue, like it burns.
Are you sure it's that? It's not the. It's 41% cacao. It's not super high, but it's definitely darker chocolate.
No, it definitely like I get the really super fake coconut taste.
Oh, it's just like dancing around my throat. Like there's little worms in my throat, like little maggots. They're little happy faces.
Have you ever
maggots.
eaten a maggot before?
Not on purpose, but I'm sure I have. Yeah. Well. I don't know. As far as the chocolate content itself goes, this one I would say is the clear winner out of the three.
Really?
However, if you add the, this is one's the most chocolatey of them. As far as the whole, what have you. No, it feels like I've got sand in the back of my throat that moves around with the efficiency of a maggot. I'm going to give this one a 0.
Oh, I'm going to give it a 0 just because of the fake flavoring that's in there. The extract is disgusting. It just burns.
It burns.
I was really hopeful because I love coconut.
It burns,
I love
burns.
I'm really sad. It makes me sad because I love coconut and it smelled really good.
Yes,
I
yes.
wanted to love it.
How much were
but
these
I
things?
can't. I don't know. They really weren't that expensive.
Well, that's good.
Honestly.
We'll get our money
For
back.
like a nice big chocolate bar. God, I hope so because they were filthy.
Filthy chocolate.
Filthy.
Filthy aplenty. They should just change the name from aplenty to filthy.
Filthy. Filthy aplenty. Aplenty filthy.
Yes. All right. Well,
Excuse me.
don't go licking the windows on your school bus.
No.
Don't bring home the COVID. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
All right. From us to you.
To you.
It's been nice visiting you.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah. But don't think this is going to be a regular thing.
No,
It might be.
I doubt
But
it.
just don't think. It really doesn't suit you.
Just be happy when you see us next.
Yeah. Take what you can. Leave the rest. That's enough. Bye-bye.
Bye.